How to delete Bigo Live account? Need a break from Bigo Live? Here's how to delete it. First, open the Bigo Live app. Tap your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now hit the setting icon, that gear icon at top right. Scroll down until you see account management. Tap it. You will see Bigo account deletion terms at bottom. Read them if you want. Basically, you will lose access forever. All data will be deleted. You can't recover your account after this. If you are sure, tap on delete account. Bigo may ask for verification like password, phone number or code. Enter the information they ask. Tap next. If you are sure of deleting Bigo app, tap on confirm and continue. Tap delete account. And that's it. Your account will be deleted, usually within 20 days. During that time, don't log back in. It will cancel the request. Need more quick guide like this? Smash the like button, subscribe for helpful tips and tutorials. See you in the next one.